In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own custom mask design using Paint.net, a handy tool for fans of Shinobi Life 2. This process will allow you to add a personal touch to your in-game appearance, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure your design turns out just how you imagine. To kick things off, you'll want to go ahead and open Paint.net on your computer. Once Paint.net is up and running, you'll need to import the mask template. Developers typically provide a PNG file containing the mask's UV map, which acts as a guide for your design. If by chance you don't have this template, not to worry. You can work around it by exporting or capturing a screenshot of a plain mask from the game, which you can then use as your base. Now, let's move on to setting up your layers, which will form the foundation of your design process. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. There you'll find a Layers window. Click the plus icon to add a new layer. It's crucial to keep your template anchored on the bottom layer while you work your custom magic on the new top layer. This setup helps organize your design elements, making the process more manageable. With your base in place, it's time to delve into the creative side of things. Designing your mask. Explore the Brush tool or Shapes tool to lay down patterns and designs that speak to your unique style. If adding text is part of your plan, select the Text tool and type in any words or phrases that might enhance your mask. Don't shy away from experimenting with colors. The Gradient tool is particularly useful for achieving nice fades and transitions. Just remember, and this is key, to keep your design within the boundaries of the template's shape to ensure it maps correctly when applied in-game. If your design includes any transparent areas or cutout sections, it's time to focus on transparency and erasing. Use the Eraser tool to remove parts of your design layer, creating those see-through effects you might want. Another technique is to use the magic wand to select areas quickly and hit the Delete key for cleaner shapes. This approach offers more precision and can lead to a more polished end result. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to save your mask. But before doing so, make sure to hide the template layer. You can do this by unchecking the box in the Layers window, ensuring only your custom design is visible. Head over to File and choose Save As to export your image as a PNG file. The PNG format preserves the essential transparency, a critical feature for your design to integrate seamlessly into the game. Finally, upload your PNG file in Shinobi Life 2 through the game's custom mask editor or importer. Now your awesome custom design is ready to debut in the world of Shinobi Life 2. Enjoy your uniquely crafted mask and let it be an expression of your creativity in the game.